What's going on, guys? Denver here. Welcome back to another Denver David food review. Today we're taking a look at the Dairy Queen Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now before we get into that, if you're wondering why this looks different, as you can tell, we are not in the truck in this video. This is actually something being shot in my makeshift kind of shooting area, if you want to call it. This is not my room, even though I'm sitting on a bed. This is just kind of an area that I do most of my shooting. My room is actually used for the secret project that we're going to be talking about more in November. I'm super excited. It's coming in January. You guys will like it. We're not going to be finishing this off. We're only going to have a couple bites. As you can tell, it is really frozen. Let's see if we can actually get a bite out of this. When I first got it, it looked way more presentable. Had some whipped cream and stuff. Unfortunately, the freezer kind of froze the whipped cream into it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so like I said, that was the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. Again, we're not finishing it off. I don't want to have it all right now. It's really good. I'm going to say you need to try this. So would recommend. In fact, I'm going to push this up. Because of the season and its limited time availability, I'm going to say go out and get this now. Unfortunately, I don't know how long it's here for. It might have just been here for Canadian Thanksgiving. I don't know. It might be here for the whole month of October, but give this a shot if it's possible. But with that said, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching another Denver David food review. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.